In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Shein. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone simply looking to explore new online money-making avenues, this guide will help you get started. So, let's dive in and uncover an exciting way to leverage Shein for financial gain. First, let's talk about the business concept itself. If you're interested in making money with Shein, you'll need to start by establishing your own business. This is an exciting venture, but it also requires thoughtful planning and dedication. Starting your own business allows you to operate as a seller, providing your unique products to a vast audience already familiar with Shein's platform. The trust consumers already have in Shein allows emerging sellers to step into a space with built-in credibility. Now, on to the practical steps. To start, open Google and search for Sell on Shein Marketplace. It's important to note that entering the marketplace requires you to engage with Shein's established system. The search will lead you to the official Shein seller homepage. As you navigate through the results, click on the appropriate link that directs you to the Shein seller's website. When you arrive on the site, make a point to familiarize yourself with the marketplace layout and the rules set by Shein, which are designed to maintain quality and consistency in their marketplace. While you're on the seller homepage, take a moment to locate the option to join the marketplace. This is usually visibly marked as Join Marketplace, typically found on the homepage itself. Clicking this is your next big step. This action will lead you to a registration page. Once you've reached the application page, prepare to fill out all necessary information. Again, this information is crucial as it helps Shein evaluate your capability as a seller in their marketplace. Be thorough and accurate while filling out your details. You'll likely need to provide your business information, the type of products you plan to sell, and possibly some background on your business operations. Completing this step effectively means you're ready to embrace this opportunity to secure a spot in the marketplace. Finally, once you've submitted your application, be patient while Shein reviews your information. They assess all applications to ensure sellers meet their standards. This step is essential in maintaining the quality and reliability that Shein customers expect. And there you have it. You've now embarked on your journey to potentially making money with Shein. By aligning with a well-known brand, optimizing your product offerings, and consistently meeting marketplace standards, you can start creating new revenue streams. Remember, this entrepreneurial path requires perseverance and a desire to succeed. Good luck and happy selling.